I was closing my garage door and when I pull it down, the garage fell on top of my head and it broke my neck.
My mother was hurt by a broken garage door. I had just gotten home from work and I just heard her scream. I told her we needed to call 911. She started turning purple like right away. I contacted David Woolf, and when I text him immediately, he contacted me right away.
My name is David Woolf, and I'm a personal injury attorney with the Shouse, California Law Group. One of the most important things that we did right away was the apartment building was going through and fixing all the garage doors because they found out about the injury. And so we were able to get out there very quickly with an expert that we hired in the mechanics of garage doors and building codes, and they were able to do a full inspection and test the door. At the end of the day, we were able to obtain for Maria $1 million in this case.
When I was in the hospital, I was very scared because I was not even able to eat by myself. My attorney was David Woolf. I would recommend David to all my friends. He was there for me when I was in the hospital. I'm very grateful that David helped me a lot.
The Shouse Law Group got my mom $1 million. They're a very good law firm and I would recommend them to anybody.
I have a good lawyer. This is my lawyer and I recommend it to you and he'll help you. Shouse Law Group got me $1 million.